Start by measuring 700 grams of soft flour and place it in a bowl for kneading. Add a teaspoon of salt, mix lightly. Then add 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of 9% vinegar, and pour in 400 milliliters of lukewarm water. Now mix everything with a spatula. Stir with the spatula until the flour absorbs the water, then remove the spatula and continue kneading by hand. Transfer the almost kneaded dough to a floured surface and keep kneading. Lightly dust the surface with flour. After a few minutes of kneading, the dough should look like this. It may seem sticky, but it won't stick. Once kneaded, lightly flour the table. Dust the dough with a little flour, then let it rest for about 10 minutes. Next, roll the dough into a rectangle. Lightly flour the top, then flip the dough. Always use just enough flour to prevent sticking. Grate 250 grams of margarine or butter onto half the dough, which should stay frozen while kneading and resting the dough. After grating, fold the other half over. Stretch and seal the edges. Grate another 150 grams of margarine or butter onto half again. After grating, fold the other half over. Seal the edges and press by hand. Dust with flour and flip the dough. Dust again to prevent sticking. Then stretch the dough as much as it allows. Fold the prepared dough into thirds. Now fold this strip into thirds again. Take a tray, place the dough, cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 20-30 minutes. Remove the dough from the fridge and continue rolling. Roll out the dough again and fold. Use the same tray as before. Place the dough, cover with plastic, and refrigerate for another 20 minutes. Remove from the fridge and roll out again. At first, rolling by hand may be easier. Fold the rolled out dough again. Place on the tray and refrigerate for 20 minutes. Refrigerate the dough for 20-30 minutes to rest. Don't discard the scraps, bake them separately. Then cut into desired shapes, squares, rectangles, triangles, your choice. Brush each mini pastry with a bit of water. Then sprinkle with sea salt. You can also add seeds if desired, or use egg wash instead of water. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Once hot, bake immediately. The pastries are done. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, depending on preferred doneness. Look at this. Crispy, perfectly done.